Hey everybody. Um, hope you all had a happy holiday season and a good entry into a new year. Um, over the holidays, actually, I ordered a couple of rifles from Royal Tiger Imports. They had their sales going on, and I thought, well, why not go ahead and pick up another Calvary carbine and a 1891/28 Carcano carbine second model TS in 6.5 by 52. Had them both on special. I actually already have 4 Calvary carbines. I thought, well, why not get another one? It's kind of like the way the Mosins were back, for 99 bucks. Maybe it'll be worth a lot more someday. I don't know, but it seems like they would eventually once they dry up the supplies. So I'm going to go ahead and do some unboxing here. See what we have. The Calvary carbine is from Italy, so it should be in pretty good condition. The second model TS is from Ethiopia, and that's a crapshoot. We'll roll the dice. We'll see what that's going to be like. I just wanted to have it to add to the collection. I have the first model TS, so got to complete the Carcano collection. And so let's see what we have here in this first box. I ordered these during the holidays. I got them, they arrived this past Monday. And so I'm finally getting around to unboxing. It's now Saturday. And that's nice. Not too many peanuts. I'm relieved of that. So they can make a mess. Gosh. Nicely packed in a lot of bubble wrap. Now, let's see. Let me get this open here. I'm really curious to see what kind of condition that second model TS is. You just never know. But for the money, I think it was like $148. I think I paid like $345 for both rifles. It's not too bad this day and age with the cost of surplus going up so high. I had to take advantage of some of those sales. They did a good job wrapping this up in bubble wrap, I must say. They did put a disclaimer in that if you do order during the holidays, it will take a few weeks to get the item. And it took a few weeks. I was expecting that. Alright, here we go. The unveiling at last. So this is the Calvary carbine from Italy. And yeah, it's in pretty nice shape, I guess. Yeah, that's in pretty good shape. I mean, it's got a few nicks here and there, handling marks, but the stock is intact. We have a little stamp right here, or cartouche, the serial number. Let's see if the stock matches. Yeah, the stock matches the serial number on the receiver. Now this was manufactured in Brescia. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. Feel free to correct me. Serial number E63211. Looks like 6383. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Let's go ahead and clear it. It is clear. It is really dry. It needs to be lubricated. Needs to clean up. I wonder what the bore looks like. Well, I'll have to post some pictures of the bore on the video. It's got the butt plate intact. I don't know if that's going to open or not. Anyway, let's take a closer look here at it. Looks like this is the press button version. I have all three. And I'll try that a little later. It's not in bad shape. My first one of these was an Ethiopian. And it was, let's say it had a lot of character. It has a lot of character. A little beat up. But that's to be expected. You know, those rifles went through a lot. But these are neat little rifles, you know. I've never shot one, though. I still need to get some ammo, which I know it's available in some places now. I think maybe World Tiger even has some. Now, this was supposed to come with a clip. I didn't see that in the box. So let's go ahead and put my... All right, I'm back. Looks like we had some type of interruption in the video. I don't know what happened there, but there we go. So this is the Carcano Carbine second model TS Troop Special, and it's dirty. It's, you know, pretty like rusty. Let's go ahead and make sure it's clear. It is clear. Seems to work fine. Yeah. And let's see. Yeah, not bad. I mean, it'll clean up nicely. And I'm pretty happy with it. I mean, it's not any worse than I expected it to be. I mean, looks like the sight's intact. Yeah, that works. Cool. Nice addition. I don't really know what the difference is between the first and second Troop Special. And if anybody does know what the difference is, if they could post a comment, that would be greatly appreciated. But let's go ahead and take a closer look. There we go. You know, I have so many rifles, project rifles. This is another one to add to them. It's going to take me a long time to get to all these. As you can see, I'm still working on one here. And between work and all these other activities I'm involved in, family, it's really maybe when I retire, I can clean up these rifles and get them to the state that I'd like for them to be in. Just to clean them up nicely. But in the meantime, I'm going to enjoy buying them at the best price I can find them at, because I know they'll go up in value, and I think it's a good investment. I really do. Everything that I bought has gone up in value. And it's going to come a day where probably want to sell some of them. And in the meantime, I'll just collect them and enjoy. And keep posting videos. I really appreciate everybody's support, viewership. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps. Subscribe. And thanks for watching. You all have a great evening.